This is Bearded Movie Guy coming at you with another unboxing. Even though it's been a long time, been about a year and a half, with the 40th anniversary collector's edition of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Gonna go over it, show what's inside. Mastered in all new 4K scan, 7.1 audio, bonus features. I'm proud to do this. I'm doing an unboxing for this one. Growing up in Texas, scared the hell out of me. I was just a kid when I saw these. 12 when the 2003 when it came out. Went and rented this one and wasn't as scary as the 2003 to me, but equally as scary. Let's see, still packs the same punch it did when it first changed face of horror. The most horrifying motion picture I've ever seen. Got the pictures of him, Thomas Hewitt, and his family. 4 feature commentaries, collector's edition bonus disc. I know it comes with 2 discs of the Blu-rays and 2 DVDs. So let's go ahead and get this open. I need to buy me a freaking stand. Learn how to edit videos. Maybe I can get my friend to edit it for me. And this is what it looks like. A little glossy. Like that. It's not like Blu-ray size, it's like DVD size standing up. So if you put it with your Blu-rays, this will stick out. Which, I don't know, I might stand this up with my Blu-rays over there on top or something. Go ahead and open this bad boy. Oh wow. Got him right there. Thomas Hewitt. And then just minus him in the background. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm not too familiar with these actors. I don't know their names. I believe she just recently passed away a few weeks ago, and I don't know what their names are. Have to go Google it and learn. Let's see. Now available. Oh, yeah. I definitely need to go get this. Texas Chainsaw Massacre comes. I really don't know if it comes with that 18-wheeler or not. Probably look for more videos on it. Just a little pamphlet. And then here's the movies. I'm not gonna turn them around. Oh, well, I guess, but they're all the same. See what the background looks like. Looks like the scenery. Oh, okay, it's the house. Let's see. Okay. It's one of the girls walking towards the house. Their car broke down, I'm guessing, or she's going after her friends trying to help them. And then that's probably the door that leads to this room, I'm guessing. If it's not that, then I don't know what else it could be. But yeah. Not too bad. Stand it up. Well, hope y'all enjoyed this review, and I'll be posting the Ghostbusters one shortly after this.